Welcome, dear one, to your daily mindfulness meditation. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Allow your body to relax and your mind to settle into this peaceful moment. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of your breath anchoring you to now. Let go of everything outside this present moment. Release any tension in your shoulders, your neck, your jaw. Feel your body becoming lighter, softer, calmer. With every breath, invite peace in and let stress fade away. This is your sacred space, a moment of stillness just for you. Breathe in calmness. Breathe out everything that no longer serves you. As you exhale, imagine releasing worries like clouds drifting away in the sky. You are here, grounded, aware, and fully present. This is mindfulness, the gentle art of being. Now, bring your attention to your breath once more. Notice the air entering your nostrils, cool and refreshing. Feel it leaving, warm and soft, carrying away your tension. Your breath is the bridge between your body and soul. Let it guide you home to yourself. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Simply return to your breath with kindness and patience. Each time you return, you strengthen your awareness. Each breath deepens your connection to peace. You are learning to calm your soul through presence. Now gently bring your attention to your body once more. Notice the weight of your body resting on the surface beneath you. Notice how the ground supports you effortlessly. You are safe. You are grounded. You are at ease. Allow your muscles to loosen and your heartbeat to slow. Feel a warm, golden light begin to glow in your heart. This light represents your inner calm, your true center. With every breath, this light grows brighter and warmer. It spreads through your chest, arms, and hands, down your spine, your legs, all the way to your toes. This golden light brings healing, peace, and clarity. It clears away negativity and fills you with strength. You are a vessel of peace, radiant and aware. Feel gratitude for this moment of stillness. Let gratitude flow through your entire being. Now, as thoughts come and go, watch them gently pass like leaves floating on water. There is no need to chase or judge them. You are the observer, calm, quiet, and free. Each breath draws you deeper into the present moment. Each moment invites a deeper sense of mindful awareness. In the stillness, recognize the beauty of now. There is nothing missing in this moment. There is nothing you need to fix or change. You are whole. You are enough. You are peace itself. Let this stillness refresh your spirit and restore your energy. Feel your heart opening to compassion for yourself and for the world. You are building a healthy lifestyle rooted in awareness and gratitude. This is where true peace begins, right here, right now. If your mind feels busy again, that's okay. Just notice it and gently return to you breathing. Your breath is your safe harbor in the waves of thought. Anchor yourself here whenever you need calm. This simple awareness is the essence of daily mindfulness meditation. As you continue breathing slowly and deeply, imagine the golden light surrounding you completely. It forms a cocoon of warmth, love, and serenity around you. You are protected, nurtured, and centered in peace. Every breath you take nourishes your soul. Now, take a deep, cleansing breath in and exhale any lingering tension. With each breath, your heart feels lighter, your mind becomes clearer, your body feels deeply relaxed. In this peaceful state, silently repeat to yourself, I am calm, I am present, I am at peace. Let these affirmations flow like ripples through your being. They are seeds of mindfulness growing within you each day. Now allow a soft smile to form on your lips. Feel gratitude for taking this time for yourself. You have honored your mind, your body, and your spirit. This practice is a gift, one that brings harmony to your life. You are awakening the stillness that has always been within you. Before we close, take one final deep breath in. Hold it gently and exhale completely. Feel yourself grounded, centered, and refreshed. Carry this calm energy with you into your day. Let it guide your actions, your thoughts, your words. This is the power of mindfulness meditation for beginners, a simple yet profound step toward a more peaceful, healthy lifestyle. You are learning to listen to your heart, to breathe with awareness, to live with purpose. You are becoming the calm in the chaos. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale, releasing the meditation with gratitude. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Bring this sense of peace with you as you move forward. Remember, your calm is always one breath away. You have completed your daily mindfulness meditation. Practice this meditation daily to calm your soul, strengthen your awareness, and nurture a balanced, peaceful lifestyle. Namaste.